everyone, it's Miss Katherine
and Lena
here to give you your craft instructions for today. Our theme for Thursday is Jesus' power lets us live forever.
Trust Jesus.
And our craft is a twig cross.
Because Jesus loved us so much, he died on the cross so that we could have eternal life. Therefore, we will create a cross to help remind us of Jesus' love. And because we have spent so much time indoors these past few months, this cross will require you to go outside and experience some of God's creation. To complete today's cross craft, you will need twigs and small branches collected from outside, Elmer's glue or a low-temperature glue gun, and the craft items included in your VBS box for Thursday. To begin, head outside and collect different sized twigs and small branches. Arrange your twigs and small branches onto your cross. You may have to break the wood pieces to fit on the cross, or they can be trimmed with clippers. Next, glue down the twigs and small branches. Tip: use rubber bands to help secure the twigs and branches to your cross until the glue fully dries. Finally, apply your verse label to your cross. We hope you enjoyed getting outside and being creative. See you all Friday for our final day.